Hello all, good morning. Welcome to your ICT classes. This is video number 15 on chapter 4, sound recording in the computer. In our last class, we have done activity 2 and activity 3. Activity 2 was let's save the audio. We have recorded an audio and then we have saved the audio. And we have seen that the audio is saved as an Audacity project file. The file extension was .aup. Then our activity 3 was let's listen to the recording. We have opened that saved audio. Then we have seen that it is opened in the Audacity software itself because it is an Audacity project file. The learning objective for today's class is to learn how to convert the recorded speech into an audio file or how to export the recorded speech into an audio file. Then listen to that exported audio. So in our last class we have saved that recording. It was in home folder, in documents folder. Here we have recorded audio.aup. The file extension is .aup, which indicates Audacity project file. It is a Audacity project file. When we try to open this file, it will be opened in the Audacity software itself. And we can make changes to it, we can make additions to it if necessary. Okay, so this was the speech that we have recorded in our last class. Okay, now we are going to convert this recording into an audio file, or we are going to export this recording into an audio file. So let's see how to export this recording into audio file. For that, go to File menu. From that, select Export. From this again, select Export Audio. Then a window appears. Here we have to give a suitable name for this file. Okay, now I have given a name for this file. Next we have to select a folder in which this file should be saved. So I am selecting home folder in that documents folder. Our next step is to select a audio file format. Here we have many formats, audio formats like WAV, MP3, OGG, etc. From this we can select the required file format. Now we are going to select OGG. After that, click on this save button. Then a window appears. Here we have to click on this OK button. Okay, now this speech or this recording is converted into an audio file, or we have exported this recording into an audio file. So this is how we can export or convert the recording into an audio file. That is our activity 4. Our next activity is to listen to the exported audio. So let's close this window. We have exported that audio in documents folder in home folder. So let's open that. Home folder, documents folder. Here see, we can see recorded speech.ogg. This is the video, this is the audio that we have exported or converted just now. See the file extension, it is .ogg. We can open this. Okay, now we have listened to the exported audio, right? Now, let's consider this file. The file extension is .aup. This file is the file that we have saved in our last class. That is saved as the Audacity project file. And the file extension is .aup. When we open this, it is opened in Audacity software. We can make changes to that. After exporting that audio, what is the extension? .ogg, or it can be .wav, mp3, etc. It depends upon the file format that we have selected while exporting that audio. Okay, we have selected OGG, so here we can see the file extension .ogg. So this is an exported audio. When we open this, it is not opened in the Audacity software. Instead of that, we can hear that audio or hear that recording. But the file that we have saved in our last class, the file extension is .aup, which indicates it is a Audacity project file. It is not completed, it is not exported. So when we open this file, it will be opened in Audacity software, and after exporting it will be .ogg. When we open that, it is not opened in the Audacity software. So that is the difference between the Audacity project file and the exported audio file. Okay, now let's summarize what we have learned in today's class. We have done activity 4, that is, let's convert the speech into an audio file. So we have recorded an audio, we have saved it as an Audacity project file. Now activity 4 was to convert or export that recording into an audio file. For that, we have to go to file menu. From that, select export audio option. Then a window appears. There we have to give a suitable name for the file. Then we have to select the folder in which that file should be saved. Then next step is to select the format, audio format. Many audio formats are available like WAV, MP3, OGG, etc. We have selected OGG file format. Then after that, we have to click on the save button. Then again a window opens. In that, we have to click on the OK button. Then this recorded speech will be converted, or it will be exported into an audio file. This is how we can export an audio file. Then our fifth activity was, let's listen to our speech. We have opened that exported audio from home folder in that documents folder. Then when we opened that file, it is not opened in the Audacity software. Instead of that, we can hear that audio or that recorded speech. But in our last class, we have saved the file as Audacity project file. The file extension was .aup. When we open that, it will be opened in the Audacity software. After exporting the audio, the file extension will be .ogg or different format, which depends upon the format that we have selected while exporting that audio. Then when we open that, it is not opened in Audacity software. Instead of that, we can hear that audio. So that is the difference between the project file and exported audio file. Okay, now you have an homework. There's one question: give examples for audio file formats. Okay, you have to write different audio file formats in your notebook as your homework. So by this video, we are completing our 4th chapter. So see you next class. Bye.